Hello buddies, welcome back once again. In my today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make this healthy, nourishing, creamy mango milk drink. Like, this is one of the milk drink that when you make it, you're going to love it absolutely. So relax and enjoy this video. So for this video, I used some mangoes and some lemon fruits, okay? Fresh lemon fruit and fresh mangoes. The first thing I did was to peel the lemon zest, like to collect or to get the lemon zest. So I took out the lemon zest of 4 lemon fruits, okay? So but before you take out your lemons, then make sure you wash your lemons very well. Wash them thoroughly. So after taking out the lemon zest, I transferred this lemon zest into a pot of water. I added 2 cups of water, then added about 4 tablespoons of sugar in the water, okay? So that is water, sugar and the lemon zest. I covered this and allowed it to boil very well, okay? So after it was done boiling, I took it down from the heat and then set it aside to cool down completely. So while it was cooling down, I took out my mango meat or the mango puree, okay? So I took out my mango meat. How to slice the mango just as you see in the video. Then use my spoon to take out the mango meat, okay? Now, after taking out this mango meat, I discarded the rest of the parts of the mango because what you need is just the meat or the inside of the mango. Now I went ahead to sift the lemon zest that I have boiled. After it has cooled down, I sifted this lemon zest, then I added lemon juice. Like those 4 lemons, I squeezed out their juice and then sifted it into the lemon zest syrup. Note that this lemon juice is totally optional. I will tell you why at the end of this video. So next I had to squeeze my mango meat to turn it into a puree, okay? But if you have a blender, perfect, just use your blender or food processor to blend this thoroughly. So because of the absence of blender, so I had to use the net sieve method to get my mango puree set. So I mixed the mango puree with the lemon syrup I made earlier. Now what I just showed you guys is the store-bought mango powder. So if you want to add it, you can add it. If you don't want, you can omit it. But for this particular recipe, I did not add it, okay? I just showed you guys in case anybody that wants to add, you can add to your own a little bit for taste and also for color. So after that, I had to sift this mango puree that I have mixed with the lemon syrup. So after sifting it, I have everything smooth and very silky. Then I went in with 1 cup of liquid milk. You can also use evaporated milk or you can use any type of milk you want to use. I just had to dissolve some powdered milk with some water. So I added it and mixed everything together and I have that. Now this is what I was telling you. Because of the lemon juice I squeezed into that was why it wasn't too smooth like that, okay? So you may do well not to add lemon juice if you want, but the lemon zest is okay, but lemon juice, it can make it a little bit kind of not that too smooth, but it doesn't affect anything, okay? Just as you can see, it's very smooth, it's very silky, it's very milky, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So try this and you will love it.